Deep, deep inside an ancient forest stood the mighty redwoods. Their branches stretched toward the sky, and their leaves whispered secrets of a time long forgotten. But what if I told you these trees could really whisper? This is the story of a brave girl named Emmeline, who discovered the biggest secret of the forgotten forest and saved it from a great danger. Emmeline was no ordinary girl. She loved nature. She spent her days listening to the rustling leaves, watching little rabbits hop, and sketching plants in her notebook. But one day, something felt different. The trees weren't whispering their usual happy songs. No! Today, they were crying. Danger is coming. The balance is breaking. What's wrong, old friend? She asked gently. The whispers told her a secret. A terrible darkness was coming, and if she didn't stop it, the forest would disappear. Forever! Determined to save her home, Emmeline set out to find Thorn, the forest guardian, the only one who could help her. You have heard the whispers, haven't you? A tall figure steps forward, vines wrapped around his arms, his eyes glowing like emeralds. It's Thorn! Yes, Emmeline cried. The forest is in danger. We have to save it. Long ago, this forest was full of magic, but people have forgotten its power. They take too much from nature, and now the balance is breaking. Then we must fix it before it's too late. But oh no, the magic was fading. The plants were wilting, the fireflies were disappearing, and the whispers were growing weaker. We must act now, Emmeline shouted. Come on, trees, tell me what to do. The rivers started to flow again. The fireflies danced in the night, and the trees whispered once more. Thank you, Emmeline. You have saved us. You have learned nature's greatest lesson. We must respect and protect it, or it will disappear. Emmeline smiled. She had saved the forgotten forest, but her journey wasn't over. I promise I will always protect nature, and I will teach others to do the same. And from that day on, the whispers among the redwoods continued, carrying the tale of the brave girl who saved the forest. Did you love this magical story? If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures. And remember, always be kind to nature.